Hi
Hi,
Apurva, how are
hi,
you doing?
Sadia. I'm good. How are you? It's Apurv.
Apurva.
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah, I'm
you.
doing good. How are you
Yeah,
doing?
I'm perfect. I'm perfect. How's your name? Sadia, right?
Sadia. It's
Sadia.
Sadia. Yes,
Okay,
Sadia.
yeah. Okay, great. How are you, Sadia?
I'm doing good. And welcome to this Pokerbazi.
Sure.
And I'm really, trust me, this is my first live session. I got this
Okay,
opportunity to go live with you.
okay,
Really,
okay.
really, yeah. Thank you
Nice.
so much, Apurva, for joining us.
Yeah, sure. My pleasure.
Yes. So, Apurva, I would like to know that what are you doing in this lockdown period? What are how are you spending your time?
Okay. So initially, when this lockdown started, I thought it will be for a few days only. But eventually,
Okay.
I realized no, so it will go for long. So initially, I was doing
Yeah.
nothing. I was just watching Netflix and all the web series which was in my mind. But over the
Okay.
period of time, I got bored from all the web series also. So I started learning some new stuff, writing some content, and right now, I'm also doing a live series called Kafi Wild Head Talk with all the,
Oh,
yeah.
nice, nice.
So, yeah, with all, so my favorite artists, to be precise, those who I like very much. So, I'm trying to
Okay.
invite them on my show and, doing a live session with them.
That is really nice, really
Yeah.
nice. And how are you staying, in touch with this comedy and all in this lockdown period?
Uh, so, uh,
Content
so
creation and all.
yeah,
Hmm.
yeah. So that's what I was saying. Initially, I thought कि नहीं ठीक है, let it be, अभी कर लेंगे. But now I realize कि वो अब चलेगा ही. It's a process. तो वो time लगा mind को समझाने में that
Okay.
this will continue for some time. So now writing is
Yes.
not a tough part. It started happening. Performance is something which I miss now because
Okay.
I
I'm
started
sure.
I started doing Zoom shows like WebEx shows, those which I'm doing online for particular corporates. But
Okay.
again उसमें उतना फील नहीं आता है जितना लाइव सेशन में आता है, मतलब प्रॉपर लाइव ऑडियंस के आगे आता है वो फील नहीं है, तो वो
Exactly. Exactly.
दैट इज समथिंग व्हिच आई एम मिसिंग, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. बट उसके अलावा लाइक कंटेंट क्रिएशन हो रहा है, परफॉर्मेंस भी हो रही है, लोगों से बातचीत ज्यादा हो रही है इस टाइम पे. लाइक द ओनली गुड थिंग इज जिन लोगों से मैं सोचने रहा था कि अभी फॉर द नेक्स्ट 6 मंथ बातें होंगी, उनसे बिकॉज ऑफ द
Hmm.
लॉकडाउन इट स्टार्टेड हैपनिंग बिकॉज everyone is kind of
Exactly.
free and they want to talk to someone to and they
Yes,
want to
exactly.
interact. सो अब वो क्या लाइक ऑडियंस की बाटर डील भी होने लग गई है कि हमारा फैन बेस आपको मिलेगा, आपका फैन बेस हमें मिलेगा, एंड एवरीवन विल गेट सम ऑडियंस. सो ठीक है, मतलब नाउ आई थिंक माइंड को थोड़ा सा वो मिल गया है कि नहीं, दैट्स हाउ वी हैव टू प्रोसीड फॉर द नेक्स्ट 6 मंथ. सो नाउ
Exactly.
लाइफ इज ओके. या.
Good, good, good. So tell me something about your journey. How do you get into this comedy thing and everything?
So I started in 2012 when I completed my BTech. Then I started pursuing stand-up full. I think there's some noise at your side or maybe my side.
I don't know.
Uh, Hello,
Is
can
it
you hear
proper
me?
now? Yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes.
yeah.
Okay.
So in 2012 when I completed my BTech, I started doing stand-up full time.
Hmm.
Okay. I think there's some issue on your side or maybe my side, but I have removed my
I've removed my in-ears. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Yeah. Can you hear me
Can you
now?
hear me now?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
I
yes.
can
I
hear you.
can hear you.
Okay,
Yes,
great.
yes. Tell me.
So I was saying, so initially when I completed my BTech in 2012, I started pursuing stand-up full time. But at that
Okay.
time, no one knows what actually stand-up is. So
Okay.
it took me some time to let everyone know what actually stand-up is, and it was a slow process. But in 2013, uh, I think there's some issue, and I don't know on this side.
I don't know because I am audible. I mean, you are clearly audible.
Acha, acha.
I'm
Okay,
not
I think
getting any
sure.
disturbance. I think it is, I don't know.
Okay, so maybe
Hmm.
it might be the network issue or something.
Yes,
So
yes.
हाँ, बस वो बताया था कि 2013 में एक वीडियो पे वायरल हो गया था और उसके
जी,
बाद things started moving. फिर I started doing corporate shows, college shows, and
nice.
auditorium shows. फिर 2015 or 16 was a game changer because at that time this Geo thing happened and internet cost बहुत कम हो गया था. So obviously,
Hmm.
people started watching stand-up more, and they recognize more artists. Art form started growing. तो
Okay.
फिर I think अब पिछले 8 सालों में I don't know. I think I have done more than maybe 1,500 shows all over the
Oh,
world uh, with
awesome.
all the corporates, all
Fantastic.
the colleges. So now everything is fine. Obviously, this pandemic is again a downfall, but not particular for stand-up industry, but overall entertainment industry, aviation, hospitality, and other. So that is
Exactly.
something which is unavoidable. But yes, I think now people are more aware about stand-up, and now they know that this is a legit art form, and they have to respect. They have to pay matlab a good amount to watch the shows and all. So now I think it's good time. Maybe after maybe 6 months or 1 year, everything again back to square one, and people start again.
Yes, hoping for the same, yeah, hoping
Yeah,
for the
yeah,
same.
yeah,
Seriously,
yeah.
because I am also from this
Yes,
industry only.
yes,
We are
yes.
into celebrity management, Apurva,
Sure, sure.
and I am from Octave
Yes,
Entertainment.
yes, yes. I
So
have
we
that.
manage mostly singers and actors
Acha,
also we manage.
great.
Alka
Okay.
Yagnik and Kumar Shanu.
Oh,
Then
nice.
Bhumi Trivedi, Neeraj Sridhar, then Talat Aziz ji, and actors may
Acha.
we manage. Yes, actors Govinda ji and Tushar Kapoor we manage.
Oh, nice.
And yeah, my director of my company is Neeraj Mishra. Because of him
Acha.
only I'm here, and he always trusted me on
Huh.
everything. He gave me,
Acha.
CEO position in his company.
Oh,
So
nice.
yes, yes, yes. So mostly we are into big, big international shows. Last
Sure.
year we did this throwback 90s with
Right.
Alka Yagnik, Kumar Shanu, Udit Narayan.
In
So we
US,
are
I
doing
think.
this.
In
Yes,
US.
yes, yes, yes.
Yes,
So
I
that
have seen the
was
poster,
done
I
by
think.
our company only with
I think it
JDG.
was
So
done by Priya Heather, if I am not wrong.
yes, yes, yes.
Yes,
Mehboob
I know
Haidar.
her.
You know
Yeah,
them?
yeah, I know her.
I'm sure you must have worked with them
Yeah, she
too.
has done my New York show.
Oh, great, great.
Yeah,
Sis. So we,
yeah,
we did with them the whole
yeah,
tour. They were
yeah.
the international promoter.
Right,
Yeah.
right,
So
right.
that was a bit about me and my company, Apurva.
Great, great, great,
Yes.
great. Yes, great.
So Apurva, I believe you have done more than 1,000 shows across the world. पूरी दुनिया
Yes.
में आपने 1,000 से ज़्यादा shows किए. So any memorable show or funny moment you would like to share with us or with your fans?
Uh, Although there are many, but my philosophy is little different. Matlab,
Okay.
obviously, there are so many bad shows and so many good shows, but I
Exactly. I'm
always say
sure.
my philosophy is as simple as like it's like I remember that day, that show for that day only. Like I don't
Okay.
keep that memory in my mind. Either it's a good memory or bad memory, because
Yes.
my philosophy is if I start taking that memory in my mind, I always start comparing, that thing with my other shows. Like if the show is going good, I start comparing कि यार ये उससे अच्छा हो सकता था. If the show is going bad, I will say कि नहीं यार ये उससे तो better ही था, उससे तो बुरा ही था. So there is
Okay.
always a समथिंग जहां से आप कंपेयर कर पाओ. सो उससे फिर टफ हो जाता है व्हाट आई फील. तो I don't remember all the shows intentionally, but yes, definitely the last year when I did my US tour, that is something very special for me because it was the first time I was doing a 10 city tour, and the
Wow.
first show जब मैंने Seattle में गया था, at that time I was feeling a little nervous and कि यार नए सिटी में नया एकदम 1 घंटे का शो चलेगा भी, बिकॉज रेफरेंस पॉइंट बिल्कुल अलग हो जाते हैं, पता नहीं होता कि उनको क्या देखना है, हमें क्या
Exactly.
देखना है. बट यस जब पहला शो बहुत अच्छा गया, आई रियलाइज कि नहीं यार, द कंटेंट इज वेरी स्ट्रांग एंड यू नो एवरीवन इज लाइकिंग द कंटेंट. तो दैट टाइम आई फील कि यार, आई फेल्ट कि नहीं, आई थिंक एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग गुड एंड व्हाटएवर आई एम डूइंग इज यू नो ऑडियंस को पसंद आ रहा है वो. सो वो सिएटल
Okay.
वाला शो इज समथिंग जो अभी मेरे को रिसेंटली याद है कि हाँ, बाकी तो बहुत सारे शोज हुए होंगे और बहुत सारे अच्छे भी गए हैं, बुरे भी गए हैं, बट वो मुझे लगता है एक अच्छा वो था, लैंडमार्क इन माय होल जर्नी.
Okay. So Apurva, as I can read comments, everybody is asking you to crack some jokes and all. So
राइट.
can
आई
you
थिंक
show
जो
your talent? Yeah.
जोक इज समथिंग जो मुझे लगता
Yes.
है कि
So
मतलब ये ना काफी.
let's.
हाँ. बट इसमें पता है क्या होता है, इसमें
जी.
बड़ा टफ हो जाता है ऑडियंस के बिना जोक सुनाना ना, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट जैसे मतलब ये सारे स्टैंड अप के साथ है कि आपको जैसे सिंगिंग है ना, वो बैक एंड पे भी चल सकती है, लाइक बिकॉज मोस्ट
Right,
ऑफ द
right.
सिंगर्स आर एक्चुअली बैकग्राउंड सिंग, मतलब बैक एंड पे वो गाते हैं फिर वो स्टेज पे
Hmm.
जाते हैं. हमारा उल्टा
Yes.
होता है, हम डायरेक्ट स्टेज से स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो
Hmm.
ऑडियंस के बिना ना जोक वो बड़ा, इट्स लाइक अ आरजे थिंग कि आप बिना ऑडियंस के एक अकेले कमरे में कर रहे हो. बट डेफिनेटली आई एम हियर टू टॉक अबाउट माय जर्नी एंड यू नो व्हाटएवर आई हैव डन, बिकॉज जोक का मुझे समहाउ मैं खुद ही वो वाइब नहीं ला पाता, एंड विदाउट मतलब वो दिल से, बिना दिल से कोई चीज सुनाना, आई थिंक इट्स नॉट अ गुड आइडिया, व्हाट आई फील. सो
Not even a
वो
one joke you would like to crack,
वो जोक
समझ
तो
लीजिए
वो
मेरे
है.
ऑडियंस में.
सो यू लाइक टी,
जी. Hmm?
यू लाइक टी, आपको चाय पसंद है?
Yes, very much.
अच्छा,
I'm in
आप कितनी पीते हो
teaholic,
दिन में
big
चाय?
time. I can drink 10 cup of tea
एसिडिटी
anytime.
नहीं होती?
इतनी नहीं, अब तक नहीं हुई है, but then I have reduced, consuming tea. I know it's not good. So,
यस. सो वो
yes.
चाय पे मैंने एक बहुत पुराना एक सेट लिखा था जो मेरा अभी तक का सबसे फेवरेट है, कि चाय ना लोगों को पता नहीं होता, जैसे कोई लोग 50-50 चाय पी लेते हो और आप पूछो क्यों पीते हो, आलस भगाती है भाई, आलस
हाँ,
भगाती है, सुबह पी के देख नींद खुल जाती है, नींद खुल जाती है, आलस भगाती है. मैंने कहा कभी आपने सुबह उठ के शिवास पी है? बावले हो
शिवास.
जाओगे. नींद खुल जाएगी. और मतलब फैक्ट वही है कि चाय ना, जैसे चाय कम लोगों को बनानी आती है, लाइक
जी.
सॉरी कॉफी, आपको कॉफी बनानी आती होगी, राइट?
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ,
बट
exactly.
90% ऑफ द पीपल, उन्हें कॉफी बनानी नहीं आती, लेकिन चाय सबको बनानी आती है पूरे इंडिया में ना. कुछ लोग अदरक डाल देंगे, इलायची डाल देंगे, तुलसी के पत्ते डाल देंगे, फिर भी अच्छी नहीं बना पाते. मैंने कहा इतनी जड़ी बूटी डालने के बाद कैंसर की दवाई बन जाए, तुमसे चाय अच्छी नहीं बन रही है. और फिर चाय अच्छी नहीं बनेगी ना, आई थिंक दूध फटा हुआ था, दूध फटा हुआ था. तो वो बड़ा अजीब सा लगता है. और दिल्ली में तो मतलब ऐसे हालात हैं कि दिल्ली में 42 डिग्री में, मतलब लाइक 40, आई थिंक अभी 40 के करीब टेम्परेचर चल रहा है यहाँ पे. तो यहाँ पे 42 डिग्री में धूल चल रही है, लू चल रही है, उसमें चाय पी रहे हो, गर्मी बहुत है भाई साहब, गर्मी बहुत है. तो आप बोलते हो चाय क्यों पी रहा है, तो कहता भाई साहब लोहा लोहे को काटता है, लोहा लोहे
Oh,
को काटता है, गर्मी गर्मी को काटेगी. मैंने कहा अंगारे डाल ले, गर्मी गर्मी को काटेगी. तो मतलब चाय के लिए हमारा अलग ही स्वैग
nice.
है, जो कि मतलब मुझे लगता है कि काफी इट्स अ गुड थिंग टू बी ऑनेस्ट. बट कभी कभी हम एग्जैजरेट कर देते हैं, ओवर एक्साइटेड हो जाते हैं चाय के लिए. तो दैट
चाय
इज
के लिए,
समथिंग.
yeah.
हाँ, वो जो मेरे को
I'm
बड़ा अच्छा
sure.
लगता है उस पे कमेंट करना.
Even
तो
you like tea or
yeah,
coffee?
yeah, that is the reason. So I think everything which I say in my shows is always comes from my personal experience. Like either
Okay.
at some point of time I have done something like that. That is the reason it comes to naturally on stage.
Oh, that
Yeah.
is really nice, really nice.
And
So, what do you think, where do India stand in terms of stand-up comedy? What do you think about that?
I think that right now it's a very decent stage, because all the metro cities know what actually the art form is. I think
Okay.
we are right now we are as the countries are developing nation. Same as for stand up. Uh, if someone is saying it's saturated, no, it's not saturated. If someone is saying that the art form is it very early stage, no, it's not very early stage. It's a very developing art form for the nation. Right now, I think all the metro cities known, but I think it started going to tier 2, tier 3 cities.
Okay.
Tier 2, tier 3 cities में लोगों को पता है what actually the art form is, but shows उतने ज़्यादा नहीं हो रहे हैं. So definitely, I think for the next 5 to 10 years, यहाँ इंडिया में saturation नहीं आएगा, and there is huge स्पेस फॉर आर्टिस्ट एज वेल एज फॉर द ऑडियंस. लाइक ऑडियंस को भी बहुत अभी बहुत सारी ऑडियंस है जिन्होंने नहीं देखा, और बहुत सारा टैलेंट है जिन्होंने नहीं अभी तक अपनी ऑडियंस को पहचान पाए हैं, या उनको इतनी अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिली है जितनी उनको मिलनी चाहिए थी.
जी जी. Okay. And who do you like the most from new, generation of comedy?
सी आई डोंट वॉच, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. बहुत ज्यादा मैं इंडियन स्टैंड अप सीन देखता नहीं हूँ, बिकॉज आई मतलब आई स्टार्टेड वॉचिंग इंटरनेशनल ओनली. तो मेरे को जॉर्ज कार्लिन है एक यूएस के, अब तो नहीं रहे, बट वो मुझे
Okay.
सबसे ज्यादा पसंद है, मतलब शुरू से ही ना. उन्हीं को
Oh,
मैं क्योंकि उन्होंने बहुत ज्यादा कंटेंट लिखा हुआ है, तो बहुत ज्यादा उनका देखता रहता हूँ मैं, आगे पीछे ऊपर नीचे बहुत ज्यादा चलता रहता है उन्हीं का ही. तो वो
okay.
मुझे बहुत ज्यादा, और ऑब्वियसली रसल पीटर तो सबने देखा ही है इंडिया में, तो वो तो है
Yes,
ही
yes,
जो सब देखते
exactly.
रहते हैं.
So, since we are in Pokerbazi Presents quarantine,
Right.
so would you like to sing any song?
To be honest, I'm
Any
not a singer.
song, any
No, my
favorite of
voice is my. To be
you?
honest, if you listen to my voice, it's the worst voice for any song. So let's
No,
avoid that thing, because I'm not the right person for the singing
no,
thing.
no. Any one line, एक line भी आप गुनगुना सकते हैं.
नहीं, एक्चुअली वो है ही नहीं. अंदर से कॉन्फिडेंस वाली चीज होती है ना, जो चीज आती है वो करना इजी होता है. लाइक दैट इज नॉट
आप
समथिंग which I'm
don't
meant
tell me you
for.
are talking about confidence. I'm sure. I'm
if
sure.
if
I'm
if
like
if you
I'm
if
going
you
to.
if you ask a cricket player to play tennis, he will also the same thing. Like if I tell
Yes.
you to be on stage rather than backhand, you will
हाँ.
also the same thing. That is
Yes, yes,
that is
exactly.
something which happens. Yeah.
But here nobody is watching you. I mean, like nobody is front of you.
No,
I'm only there.
I'm no, I'm not. I personally don't like singing. I'm not the guy who
Okay.
sings or you. So that is the reason.
Okay, no problem. And
Yeah.
what advice you would like to give to new comedian who are coming into this industry and all? What advice
Uh,
you would like to
I
give
think
them?
the only advice which I can say is that just stick to your voice. Whatever you feel, whatever comes from your heart, don't follow
Okay,
someone else, because right now India at that stage that if someone like that particular artist, he or she will invite that particular artist. Uh,
okay,
just focus on what your actual voice is, and start like wait, audience will come to watch you. Like you don't need to find your audience, let the audience finds you. And just work hard, because any art form will take time. It can't happen overnight, so just you have to work hard. Like you have to spend at least 2 to 3 years to get the result. That is the only advice I can say.
okay. And Apurva, I mean, like, what would you like to do in your free time? क्या करते हैं आप? क्या करना
uh,
पसंद करते हैं? Exact.
I started playing PUBG and Call of Duty.
Oh, PUBG. You're
uh,
also in that league of PUBG.
I used to play PUBG like a few last year, maybe a 12 14 months back.
Okay.
Then I stopped playing. But now, since there are enough villa time, so I thought let's start uh, watch playing again, because right now we have decent full free time.
Okay. And do you like to play poker?
To be honest, no.
Okay.
I would love to understand the whole game, but right now I was not able to understand.
I think since we are in lockdown and all, you should really try Pokerbazi app. Yeah,
Definitely.
yeah,
I
yeah.
think once
It's
we are
really fun.
I think once we are closer to Diwali, definitely I'll start
Diwali.
understanding full time.
Yes. Okay, and what according to you, ये social media कैसे industry को change कर रहा है? What is your thought on that?
Social media. Oh,
Yes.
because right now,
Any personal changes also you see in yourself after, this social media coming into picture and all?
it's a good thing also. It's a bad thing also. Good thing is definitely you can connect to so many people from just
Yes.
from your home. You are just sitting at
Yes,
your place, and
exactly.
you can, millions of people can recognize you. But the problem is, the more it's actually becomes addiction, and then you then you are not using it for the the connection of then it becomes a habit, and you start how should I say, you start losing contact from the real ones. So that is the only
Exactly.
negative point, because वो शुरू में तो हम सोचते हैं कि नहीं, it's a work which I am doing, I need to connect with my fans, I need to talk to my fans and all, but over the period of time it becomes a habit and it comes to your it goes to your subconscious mind, और आपको पता ही नहीं चलता कि कितना टाइम आप उस पे फिर लगा देते हो, और आपके जो आसपास में जो एक्चुअल लव वंस होते हैं उनसे फिर वो हो जाता है फिर थोड़ा सा.
Exactly.
Yeah, that is the
So,
only negative point I feel.
so any personal difference you must have seen in you, I mean, after this social media coming into picture,
Uh,
personal growth or something like that?
Growth to definitely, because I haven't done shows on TV. I started stand up online only.
Okay,
So so,
nice.
so most all the recognition, all the fan base which I am able to create, it's all because of social media: YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. So definitely it has played a huge role in my whole professional career. So उसके लिए तो मतलब I think all the credit goes to all the those who have created these platforms.
So, and what are your plans after this lockdown is over? I know it's a very
I think
so
the first thing
any
which
plans?
yes, the first thing which I will do, definitely I'll plan a small show, not a huge
No.
scale, but definitely
Okay.
something which is in our limit, like a 20-seater, 40-seater, which can be, follow the guideline of the government. But definitely
Okay.
I'll do these kind of shows just to get the feel of the stage, because right now that is something which I'm missing badly.
Okay. So any upcoming projects which you have which you would like to share with us or with your fans?
Right now, all the projects are in like in the बीच वाला स्टेज, बिकॉज अब वो अटक गए हैं, जो चल भी रहे थे वो भी अटक गए हैं, जो होने वाले थे क्लोज वो भी अटक, बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द कॉर्पोरेट्स एंड एवरीथिंग इज वेरी एट दैट स्टेज जहाँ पे उनको खुद भी नहीं पता कि आगे उन्हें क्या करना चाहिए, because
Okay.
it's a cycle which was going and suddenly it stopped. So,
Suddenly, yes.
so now they are also thinking whether we should focus more on marketing, whether we should focus on creating something online. So काफी अजीब सी situation है. I think once the lockdown is over, then they will be in a better position to tell the tell the uh, tell the employees कि marketing में कितना लगाना है, PR में कितना लगाना है, वो वाला
Okay.
thing होगा.
Hmm. Okay. And as you have listed in as top 20 stand-up comedian in 2014 by CNN and IBN, and you were also shortlisted by
Yes,
Forbes India 100 celebrity nominees list. Okay, in I
yes,
think 2015 by
yes,
Forbes India.
yes.
So how that has changed your life after that?
Uh, आई थिंक दैट वहां से तो बहुत ज्यादा चेंज नहीं हुआ था, बिकॉज वो ठीक था, इट्स लाइक अ टिक मार्क इन माय प्रोफेशनल जर्नी. बट आई थिंक द मेजर चेंज हैपन ओनली वंस वी गॉट Geo in India, because since I am not someone who goes on TV जहाँ पे already
Okay.
एक particular reach है, so the moment people have more data in their hand, they started watching more videos. डेफिनेटली उससे पहले भी एक लॉयल फैन बेस था, बट उसके बाद वो लॉयल फैन बेस मल्टीफोल्ड हुआ है. सो दैट इज समथिंग व्हिच आई फील हैज चेंज द गेम. वो ठीक है, वो दैट विल हेल्प टू बिल्ड द कॉन्फिडेंस एंड टू गेट द शोज, बिकॉज दैट इज समथिंग व्हिच क्लाइंट वांट्स, एंड दैट इज समथिंग व्हिच will boost your confidence कि this is okay, मतलब someone is recognizing your talent, so it's a tick mark. बट ऐसे प्रोफेशनल करियर में बहुत ज्यादा वो मेजर रोल प्ले नहीं करता. इट विल हेल्प टू गेट द शोज, टू बी ऑनेस्ट.
Okay.
या
That's great. And any message or advice you would like to give to your fans, whosoever is watching you and who are
I think just
online?
right now, just focus on your mental and physical health and watch good content, because right now, two things are very important. A, just whatever health you have, either improve it or just stay there. Don't try to, make it worse. And focus on your
Okay.
mental health also, because mental health is something which most of the people are ignoring at these days. Uh, physical fitness definitely one thing which everyone is
Yes.
focusing, but mental health is also something which we should focus, because you know being in lockdown we have few people to talk, and we are checking the same face over and over again, and uh, watching too much content, consuming too much content, it might affect our mental health.
Okay.
Yeah,
So now let's play a rapid fire round.
sure.
Okay. Are
Yeah,
you ready?
yeah.
Okay. Your current favorite song?
It's a Money Heist, Bella Ciao, sorry.
Okay. Would you
Yeah.
like to sing? Again,
Actually,
a
it's
stupid
again,
question.
to be honest, if I want to sing, I can't sing because it's in Spanish. So I
Okay.
have no clue what they want to say. It's just the
Okay. But then
song
you
which
like
has,
it. And that is your
yeah,
favorite
but
song, if you
yeah,
like it.
because it's very catchy, right? I think it's very catchy, and it's a very old song. I think it's very old Italian song, if I'm not wrong.
Okay.
Yeah,
And your favorite comedian?
George Carlin, any day.
Okay.
Yeah.
Favorite show of yourself?
Oh, there are many, but so I think I particularly like my, there's one video on travel and aeroplane wali journey, गुप्ता जी
Okay.
का travel experience on YouTube. That is something जो मुझे काफी ज़्यादा पसंद है, because it has changed the whole game. Like before that, most of the people knew me, but after that, the fan base started growing exponentially.
Okay. And any favorite city to perform in?
Again, that is something I don't very worry about, or I don't very
Okay.
think that जो मैं बहुत याद रखता हूँ, but definitely I am born and brought up in Delhi, so Delhi is my favorite.
Okay. Favorite city to perform in? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Poker on poker bazi or fantasy cricket on ballebazi? What would you choose?
I wish I would have played these games, but definitely I'll check these games once this chat is over. Definitely I'll check these games. Right now I haven't. I am a PUBG player, so but definitely I'll check these games for sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
And your favorite genre of music?
It's romantic.
Oh, romantic. What do
Yeah.
you think who's an overrated comedian?
Ah, I think someone who is getting shows these days, too many shows these days.
Who?
Someone who is getting too many shows at this point of time also. He's the very overrated.
Overrated comedian. Okay. Okay. Any favorite movie?
Khosla ka Ghosla, all time favorite.
Okay. Can
Yeah.
you just say one line from the same movie? Any
Uh,
favorite line?
I mean I mean I'm not someone who remember the whole movies and the dialogues, but the one movie which you always like whenever you are eating food, or you whenever you are getting bored, you just start from in between and you will watch for 15-20 minutes, then you will just back to your work. So that is Khosla ka Ghosla movie for me. And although I've seen so many times, but right now since I'm watching something else, so I don't remember. But definitely that is something which it's in my top. It's in my list, on the top.
Okay. Your favorite musician of all time?
A.R. Rahman.
A.R. Rahman. Okay. And see, I'm getting a lot of requests that, they would like to hear a song from you since we are on quarantine. So
I think
any song, because I can see a lot of comment wherein people are asking, yes.
I wish Sadia I was able to sing. Definitely I would have sung a song, but right, I don't know, maybe these are Seven Entertainment fans who wants me to sing, but right
No,
now
no, no. I mean,
because
mostly they are
my
your
fans
fans. Yeah, yeah.
but my fans are those who don't ask me to sing a song. But to be honest, I haven't sung a song, so I don't have the capability to sing a song. I think you are the one who manage so many singers. You must be having the capability because you are surrounded by Alka ma'am
No, no,
and
no, no.
Kumar.
Yes, but I'm really bad,
That is the thing.
as a singer.
So I think the catch is, once you recognize that your voice is bad, I think I'm the one who recognized that my voice is bad. Even if the voice is good, now I have the confidence that my voice is so bad that I can't sing. That is the irony. If someone tell me your voice is good, I have this preconceived notion that my voice is so bad that I can only do stand up from that voice.
Okay, again, getting a lot of requests for jokes,
I,
obviously.
I
So
would
now they
love
are
to,
your fans and they are.
so
Hmm.
I would love to, but to be honest, I don't have the capability. I definitely. Otherwise,
Joke.
I'm not someone who will keep my fans waiting so much to just for a song. You know.
No, no, no. I am asking. They are asking for a joke.
अच्छा जोक जोक ऑब्वियसली
Yes.
मैंने अभी सुनाया था ना आपको चाय वाले वो सब तो
Okay.
या
Okay. That's it.
बिकॉज सी आई थिंक दैट इज समथिंग जो मुझे भी ना लाइव ऑडियंस में ही वो फील आती है वो ऐसे ऑनलाइन आती ही नहीं है वाइब ना वो आई
आती
थिंक
नहीं है,
आपको
हाँ,
भी
हाँ.
समझ में आई गया होगा कि वो आती नहीं है वो जस्ट एक फॉर्मेलिटी है
Okay.
या
वो तो है, ठीक है. So right now you're not doing any online this comedy and anything. You're not doing it
so
at all because
आई थिंक
now
so
since we are in,
yes, so I'm doing online shows for corporates. It's for
actually
Zoom.
you're doing
It's
it.
happening on
Yes.
Zoom and WebEx. It's a closed room where only corporate have the sign up link and
Corporates.
they
Yes.
can watch. As far as the public show is concerned, I'm still skeptical whether it's a good idea or not. So I think once this lockdown or after 3rd May, I'll be in a better position to uh, tell that whether I should do this thing or not. Because right now I'm
So do
doing
you,
yeah.
hmm, right now, sorry.
So right now, since I'm writing something, I'm doing a talk show on my channel. So I'm focusing on that. Once this lockdown get over, because right now I think uh, till till mid of March I was doing so many shows. So I think let me.
Okay.
I also want my audience to take a break and just watch other comics.
Okay.
After 10-15 days, I'll come back and do all the shows for them.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So do you really think that this lockdown will get over on 3rd? Do you really think so, or it will get extended?
I think at least those areas where we are not getting any cases, definitely they will
Cases.
get open. But definitely those cities or the states which are badly affected, like Maharashtra, Bombay, and Delhi, uh, आपका Noida, Jaipur, they might be in
Yes.
a lockdown position for some more time. But definitely those because I think 60 or 50% of India are still at that stage where there's no case from past 14 or 20 days. So I think those
Okay.
areas can be opened after 3rd May.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what else? I mean, people are again asking that how are you spending your quarantine time?
So I think right now too many things I'm learning. One is definitely I wanted to understand share market. That is something I had in my mind to learn the
Okay.
basic of share market. So I'm taking online course, how it works, and uh,
Nice.
कैसे वो overall how to judge any company. Second is I'm writing content. Third is I'm doing a talk show which I think mostly happen on 4 p.m. Today since the interview was scheduled, I haven't scheduled that thing. Otherwise, it's happening on every day 4 p.m. Uh, उसके अलावा watching web series and all those stuff. But right now the only new thing is the new course which I'm taking. It's for share market. So वो है बस अभी.
Okay. Any favorite web series which any
मनी
favorite web
हाइस्ट मैंने
series?
अभी देखा वो पूरा खत्म हो
Money.
गया 4 सीजन. उसके अलावा असुर इज वेरी गुड. आई थिंक इंडिया
Which?
में असुर ASUR
Asur.
असुर
Yeah, yeah. I've
असुर
seen that.
ऑन या
Very
सो
nice.
दैट इज समथिंग व्हिच आई फील कि इंडिया की वेब सीरीज में वो आई थिंक वन ऑफ द बेस्ट शोज है अभी तक का. मतलब nicely written which nicely edited nicely directed everyone was good. आई थिंक वो दो वेब सीरीज तो मुझे काफी इफ वो हुई है. मतलब उसके अलावा डेफिनेटली और भी वेब सीरीज हैं बट स्पाई इज वेरी गुड. एक नेटफ्लिक्स पे वेब सीरीज है स्पाई.
Okay, Spy.
स्पाई वो काफी अच्छी है. इसराइल और आई थिंक सीरिया के ऊपर थी वो. तो वो बहुत अच्छी वेब सीरीज है। उसके अलावा डेजिग्नेटेड सर्वाइवर, तो ये सारी तो खैर पुरानी होती जा रही हैं अब, बट हाँ ये अभी मैं देख रहा था रिसेंटली, ये सारी नेटफ्लिक्स पे काफी मैं देखता रहता हूँ, तो वो हैं जो मेरे दिमाग में अभी रहती हैं।
So your favorite platform is Netflix.
हाँ आई मीन बिकॉज राइट नाउ मैं उन्हीं के सारे शोज देख रहा हूँ, तो वो हो जाता है। ऐसा नहीं है, कभी कभी किसी जैसे असुर इज ऑन वूट, सो वूट पे मुझे काफी वो
Yes.
असुर अच्छा लगा था। तो ऐसा नहीं है कि वैसा है, बट हाँ जहाँ पे प्रोबेबिलिटी ज्यादा होती है अच्छे शोज की, वहाँ ज्यादा मैं टाइम स्पेंड करता हूँ।
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me see. Any favorite joke from your travel experience,
Uh,
which you feel is your favorite,
वो
that, you know?
एक जोक था, मुझे मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा। उसमें कुछ ऐसा था कि मैं प्लेन में चाचा जी होते हैं और सडनली टर्बुलेंस होता है, और मैं दिल्ली से यूपी जा रहा था। तो चाचा जी बोलते हैं, भाई साहब यूपी का हाल ही बुरा है, सड़क पे
Hmm.
जाओ तो गड्ढे, हवा में जा रहे हैं तो गड्ढे हो रखे हैं, यहाँ पे भी टर्बुलेंस करा रहे हैं ये लोग ना। तो वो उसका मुझे आई थिंक इट्स सो बेसिकली there are two type of comics. One is those who create jokes, one is who create stories. So मेरा वैसा है कि मैं स्टोरीज पूरी बनाता हूँ, तो मतलब वो एंड टू एंड होता है, उसमें बीच में एक जोक नहीं होता, तो इसलिए वो फिर थोड़ा सा टफ होता है बीच में से एक जोक याद रहे, बिकॉज वो पूरी एक
Huh.
कहानी होती है जो जर्नी होती है, तो
Exactly.
वैसे होता है।
Okay. So, do you cook? Are
नहीं
you a
नहीं
good cook?
नो
Not
आई
at
एम
all.
नॉट, नहीं
Not
आई
even
आई
egg.
जस्ट आई जस्ट नो चाय बनाना, टोस्ट सेक लेता हूँ, मैगी बना लेता हूँ, उस लेवल तक का कुकिंग आती है मेरे को। आटा
अच्छा.
गूंदना आता है,
रोटी
रोटी
बनाने?
बन रोटी बन जाएगी, बट वो अच्छी नहीं बनेगी, वो मैं ही खा सकता हूँ। वो किसी और के लिए बनाना नॉट अ गुड आइडिया।
Okay, so I mean, do you do exercise at home or fit रहने
I
के लिए what do you do?
I just I play badminton and walk.
Oh,
I walk a lot, and badminton in the evening or in the morning. So that is two things, which is because exercise. I'm not someone who do body weight too much. I
okay.
like doing stuff in gym, and since gym is not open, so I think that's what I was saying in the beginning. Ki it's not, I feel it's not compulsory to change the, to do the makeover in this lockdown period. You can only just stick to whatever health you have. It can be like whatever, just don't go worst whatever you have, because right now I feel it's better to focus on your mental health also, because that is something which everyone is ignoring at present. So just
Exactly.
play any game, whatever game, at least one outdoor game. I personally feel बैडमिंटन वो सोसाइटी में ही खेल सकते हो आप, पास में ही जाके सुबह शाम में 1 घंटा, तो वो एक अच्छी चीज मैं कर रहा हूँ बस, और उसमें स्टेमिना बिल्ड हो जाता है।
Exactly.
Yeah.
So I think thank you so much Apurva for having you here. बहुत मजा आ
Thank
गया आपके साथ
same
for a
same same
discussion. Yeah, it was really pleasure having you here on Quarantunes
yes,
7 Entertainment Presents. Yes.
same here,
Thank
Sadia.
you
Thank you
so
so much for
much.
inviting me, and definitely will catch up soon, and
Sure,
once
sure, sure.
quarantine is over.
Would love
Yeah,
to. Yeah,
thank you
yeah.
so much.
Take
Cheers.
care. Stay
Bye.
safe.
You
Bye-bye.
too.
Bye.